Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can change your language in your Writesonic. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.writesonic.com. So once you type in this URL, you will end up in the official page of Writesonic. So once you are in this kind of page, simply press on the sign in button and you will get signed in into your account. So once you are here, you need to simply press on the profile like icon on the right hand side and press on the preferences. So from here in the system language and generation language, you can select any of the languages in the drop down menu bar and it will be directly changed into the chosen language. So this is how you change language in Writesonic. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.